Ileana Makri and I'm Greek. And I have had a passion for jewelry since I have been a kid. Every night before I went to sleep, I dreamt of some piece of jewelry, a ring, a necklace, something. And it was always my best toy. What I usually say about my pieces, it is that they are fine jewelry for no special occasion. I like my pieces to be worn all the time. I don't like pieces that are very obvious. I like to use a lot of small diamonds. I like the pavé work a lot. I think it is subtle, I think it is feminine. And I also think that a woman should own jewelry that she can enjoy all day around. Well, the most exciting moment was when I first got my first order from Barney's, New York, which was something totally unexpected. I had never thought I would get an order from Barney's. I had made a small collection which was supposed to be sold in my store in Athens. And it was by accident that the buyer of Barney's saw it, and she placed a huge order for the time. I was extremely excited, and at the same time I was a little bit worried that I was not going to be as relaxed as I was up until that time. I realized that I was undertaking a certain responsibility, and that made me feel, I think, very excited. It was a change in my life. My first jewelry piece was a little gold ring with one turquoise stone that I had bought for myself, and it cost 100 drachmas. At the time in Greece we did not have the euro, we had the drachma. And 100 drachmas was not a lot of money, but it was many, many years ago, so it was not little also, it was quite some amount. And I had gathered that in a big pot that I put all my little coins, and I went out and I bought myself that ring. My first watch, funny enough, was later on. I don't think I had a watch as a kid, but once I went to high school, I had my first watch that I remember that I still have and I love was a Rolex. So that was also an exciting moment.